Njengama sihlangana kaMashu bafethu sobheka intwana yethu lapha JG Zuma esikoleni mfethu Stebza mfana kaMashu kuyinjabulo kuyintokozo nakuthini ukuthi sivashele ingane njengoba sesama professional players nabo befuna ukufaka lezi ngesikulona sisobakhuthaza sibanika amazwi enduduzo ukuthi baqhubeke basebenze. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Intokozo iyaphuma noma ngithi yachichima mina njengothisha omkhulu nakuthina nje sonke sothisha indlela esekwenzeke ngayo nje ekuseni namhlanje la sivashele khona eGolden Arrows.
Kuyintokozo ukuthi sibe la namhlanje nani sizobheka i-superstar yethu encane la isoyipha amazwi enduduzo. Kodwa-ke sajabula thisha omkhulu nabothisha ukuthi lisamukele namhlanje. Siyacabanga ukuthi bakhona abadlali abasazophuma la abaningi. Kodwa beniqale nifunde nginake iy'ncwadi zenu before niwele ngala ebholeni. Siyabonga.
I just want to find out ukuthi ubani uMlondi, uqhamukaphi, umuntu okhuliswe kanjani.
Umlondi is a young boy wakaMashu ka-M. He is a teenager. He is in high school at JG Zuma High School. Ukhuliswe ekhaya with me as umamncane wakhe, uma wakhe, grandparents. Like he comes from a home with many kids and he is the eldest. So ingane encane nje sibukela kuyena njengamanje.
What is up to the nation? I'm Elam Simone and Sisemlazi namhlanje. Today I have
Ayanda Pani.
Ganana Mphethiwani.
Ulinda Mdleje.
Okay, so Ayanda, we understand ukuthi you're one of our super fans. Ngasho kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ibhola kuwena, what does it mean to you?
Angala ibhola kumina linto yogoba since from khula ngibengidlala lona bengidlala eBovini. Ithibe bengidlalela eLondon, ithibe bengidlalela bebizwa iArrows. Ngiyabona nje.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then so then what ended up happening? Waliye yusayini?
Ngeke sokudlala ibhola ngashayiswa imoto bengisebenza ngale Chatsworth. Yeah.
And then how has injury or the accident how did it affect your life?
It affects me a lot because I can't even do anything for myself now. It's changed everything in my life.
God, you seem so confident. Like when I'm doing it, man, it's so obvious. Like just because you experienced the accident, it has up your confidence. And what do you have to say to someone who also is in a similar situation?
I mean, since from Inhlelo ngitshela nje ukuthi hayi ngilimele la espine so nenyawo bengazizwa so bangitshela ukuthi ngeke ngisakwazi ukuhamba kodwa hayi bazangisho ngeke ngisakwazi bathi kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi ngikwazi ukuhamba so nga-accept ukuthi hayi ngizithemba ukuthi hayi ake ngiqine kube indoda ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani in time.
Okay. Wena baba yini uyenza umsizo ayando like boost the confidence yakhe and give him hope as well ukuthi ekugcineni uzophinda abuyele back to his normal self.
Empilweni number 1 akumelanga ulahle ithemba. Kunabantu if masibuka i-TV thola ukuthi even akakwazi ukusebenzisa upper body yakhe but kodwa lokho kwi-mental yakhe into ebaluleke kakhulu it's mental strength yomuntu. So kunabantu uthola ukuthi akakwazi ukusebenzisa each and every part omzimba wakhe but into ebalulekile ukuthi ungalahli ithemba. So akusimina ngedwa abaningi khona nomunye umfana uma ngingekho onokumlekelela kakhulu ukuthi uma mhlambe kunama games amphushe bayobuka ama games kodwa namhlanje bayabhala but nje into esamchazelana because even umphakathi is so supportive. Yes yabo enye into engiyibonayo umuntu ningamkhumbuzi ukuthi kwenzakaleni but it's all about ukuthi siyaphi masuka la. Yes.
Okay. And then when it comes to obviously dynamics and how things happen ever since like his accident, I'm sure impilo yashintsha to some extent even for you.
Yes.
How like where do you draw your strength from? Agnes like goes of like the situation is not as normal, but like I try to show up as my best self in the situation.
Istrength esikhulu uyena because yabona if uzoqala give up yena umuntu wena oseceleni kuba nzima. Most of the futhi sikhulele kwikhaya lomkhuleko. Yabo so even the support esithola from umphakathi. Yabo leyo nto idlala irole enkulu omunye umuntu angayibuka from a distance because even abangani bakhe abazange baqhela even izingane eclose naye even abantu ayidlala nabo futhi even ama colleagues akhe ayakwazi kancane aphinda azombheka leyo nto means a lot. And then into ke futhi ke uthando kuyena lebhola azange laphela because even noma like ngizolithini kunama tournament usuke khona ama game ukubuye kushaye kona ke phela amandla emali ukuthi asinawo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola ama ticket. Yes kodwa nje.
Okay. So shuthi njengoba iAROS ibuyelela eMlazi ujabuleka nje.
Ngijabule ngiyapha manje. Sengizokwazi nokuya khona.
Okay, and then iAROS, who are your favorite players? Mongase usitshele nje.
Lo wangiqedile Sundowns uDion. Number 1 player. Kodwa ke ukhiphe ngibathanda khona ukhiphe nimhambisile lo simkhohle igama lo ngathi Nyamanyana nje.
Oh yes.
Yena bengimthanda ngoba vele bengukhipha bengibuyela kuyena.
Oh now ukhipha. Oh okay. And then uthando lakho leAROS specifically, where does it come from? When did it start?
Ngaqala nje since ngisafunda la lesikole kuthiwa izimisele. Ngiqala khona nje. I think kwaku 20 la ku 2015.
Oh okay, seside vesikhathi.
Seside vesikhathi ngithanda iAROS kakhulu. Yeah.
Uyamazi umdlali yakho?
Number 11.
Oh, awulazi gama lakhe? Mr. Smooth.
Mr. Mduduzi.
Mduduzi, yes.
Bafo?
Yebo.
Sibonga ukuthi sila emagcekeni mina igama kuNduduzo ngasibiya Mr. Smooth.
Yeah.
Hey. Ngoba ngibuza usho ugoalkeeper nje yazi ngiyahleka lapha. Ngoba ngabe ngiyanamathisela. Ngeke ngizoyenza kuwena.
Ongezulu.
Nje? Ngidlala phela neimbambo mina.
Hayi imbamba zisho lutho. No, never.
Lungile kodwa cha sinathi sesi-back la asifike la sizokushiyela naliphasela since ke sazi ukuthi number 1 fan yethu Sine futhi sishiyamaza ukuthi noma kuthiwa ukwi-wheelchair but impilo iyaqhubeka kunezinye izimo esingakwazi ukuyigwema empilweni but as long as unabantu abakuthandayo eceleni futhi abakukhathalele impilo izoba yinde so sithi sikanye nawe sathemba ukuthi nasemagamini sokubona sikunika i-VIP yakho uhlale lapha eduze ukwazi ukuthi ujabule kahle ubone ama-games ethu so baba sithi sithanda ukubonga ukuthi unakekela ubafo ababaningi abafana nawe bagcina bathi umuntu usewumthwalo so if umuntu engakwazi ukuzenzela izinto naye usengenawo amandla but ukumbona sanesimali kanje kuyasithokozisa thina so awu kamaphasela ethu la ubona ugreen la samba khona so ugreen thina yabo manga awuthu ulaji nakho kwakho la jakho lo wazi usoye kube muhle sibathi umuphuthu phela kumele uveze bese la wakho sibone baba usoye kube muhle
Yabonga.
bese sibathi umuphuthu ayona Zokulethela imali. Inkinga usuke wagiya kakhulu egame manje imlenze esasinde yabo. Usuke wagiya kakhulu. But ke so bese samletha e-stadium umbona uMandla akushayeleke adume ngazo.
Sifuna ukubona umpheli.
Awu. Ayithi manqa. Awuhleli. Ihleli. Hayi. Amshuthi amakhamera wenza kanjani? Hawu amshuthi. Hawu. Lathi khaxa.
Kankulu iskipha.
Ngalo manje ungavele izongena. Check mic.
Number one.
Number one.
Now.
Awu.
No, siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu ukuswelcome sithi sizonibona la nisivumela ukuthi size konibona akuyona into encane kuthina le ukuthi nisivumele ukuthi sizohlala nani siyabonga kakhulu nje for i-opportunity enisiphe yona ayanda siyabonga kakhulu mfethu and okunye ke sizocela ukunimema emidlalweni othi siyodlala nje ngesonto khona la eKings Wellington Stadium sidlala neMarumo Gallants so siyacela ukuthi nize nizosupporta njenge team njenge Golden Arrows sizokuprovide nathi ngamathikithi ukuthi nizo egroundini and then ayanda uzothola opportunity ukuthi ahlangane nabadlali abone bonke uzobe usuvathela kamnandi usuvathela noMandla Nkosi so siyacela kakhulu bafowethu siyayibonga kakhulu isupport enisipha yona siyabona ukuthi hayi impela iArrows team yenu kanje njengoba dusho ukuthi kusuka kudala nje usadlala nawe kodwa nami ngiyabheja ke ngaye ukuthi kube usavimba nje la nami ngiyabheja ngaye kodwa ngoba nawe uthi uyabheja ngawe kulungile so siyabonga kakhulu kodwa nje bafowethu sizohlangana ngesonto nomi kanjani then siloko siqhubekile nje support abafana besithende sizolo silethile nje injabulo niyazi la imlazi sesilotha house akujiki bafowethu Arrows
Yes,
session in training, standing beside me is a coach. Coach, I just want to find out, later, umuntu la training, how do you feel about that, and what will we be doing nomlondi namhlanje?
Yeah, I'm excited to see. I can't wait to see what is good for us. Today's session is mainly going to be focusing on strength and endurance, and I hope he's going to partake and involve as much as he can. It's good to always have talent, raw talent, especially from Lamont, from where the team is formed. So I'm excited and I can't wait.
How do you feel having a new face, an unexpected new face, as a coach?
I'm very much excited. It's really good to Mfana, Yashis, but obviously I have to see that for myself. And like I said, I can't wait to see him, and hopefully it's the future for Golden Arrows.
And what do you have to say to other boys out there looking, because now we've made an example of Mlondi, there's so many boys out there from Emaluk Shini that also want to partake, that also want to join Golden Arrows or be professional soccer players. Do you have any message that you'd like to relay on them?
What I can say is that they must keep chasing their dreams. The door is always open to welcome the players from the township, particularly Lamontville, where this team is from, and obviously local boys who are from the surrounding areas. So they are more than welcome to come, come and showcase what is it that you have, and to add numbers in making sure that we have enough players from the development structures.
I am very excited for the school, and I'm very excited for the young boy because Umlondi is still young, he's just 15 years old. Ukuthola i-opportunity engaka arecognize team enkulu kangaka esihloniphayo eSouth Africa as a whole, kusinikeza nje ukuthi siqhenye sithokoze kakhulu. So I'm very happy for umfana omncane, and I'm very grateful for what the opportunities sitholile from Golden Arrows.
Mlondi, we've come to the end of the session yakhe. It's been a very long day. I just want to find out now, and how was your entire experience with the Golden Arrows from the time he is esikoleni kulanda abapeers akhe ujabulela to coming to training, trainer, uthole leyo experience of trainer nabadlali nokubona coach.
Yeah, ngiyomnandi kakhulu futhi bengithukile amanye kathukile khona kasenzela umnandi kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ngifike ize ngiyena ngizobona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Guys, obviously ukuthi uyathanda ukudlala ibhola. I just want to find out ukuthi yiphi position oyithandayo and what do you love the most about football, because there's so many sports that you could have been playing, cricket, rugby, but you chose to play football.
Ibhola ngitalented, yona nginika italent ngasebenzisa position engithanda ukuyidlala athi king midfielder engidlala manje.
Do you have a favorite player or umthandayo kwi-Golden Arrows na abroad?
Yeah, ukhona Golden Arrows.
Yeah, what's that?
Ndlovu.
Squish. Okay.
Namhlanje sihambe saya kwaMashu, lapho sithe khona masifika kwaMashu sathola italent elikhulu, sathola umfana ona-15 years esidisathe ukuthi zabafuna besithende simthathe simfake kwi-TGC team. Igama lakhe uMlondi. This is the future star in the making. This is the future.
Zokulethela imali. Inkinga usuke wagiya kakhulu egame manje imlenze esasinde yabo. Usuke wagiya kakhulu.
Do you have a favorite player or umthandayo kwi-Golden Arrows na abroad?
Yeah, ukhona Golden Arrows.
Yeah, what's that?
Ndlovu.
Squish. Okay.